people, welcome back to Globetrotting Hills, and I'm here on another walk. This is one of the secluded walks in the Royal National Park. It's called Winifred Falls Fire Trail, and we're going to go ahead to South Arm West Pools. This section of the walk was quite steep, so you need to be a bit careful walking down there. So here we are at the Winifred Falls, and it's quite crowded. You can see. We did not get any swimmers, so we're just gonna sit here and chill and have our lunch. We packed some bread and eggs. Oh my god, the way back was so much more difficult. I'm tired. It's so steep to climb up. Like when you're coming back, you realize it's not that easy. But here we are at the end of the trail, and it's about 4ish. We started to walk at 2. We spent some time there. So it's a nice walk to do for half a day or one day. If you like, there's another pool further down there which does not have a bath. But if you want to research about it, it's called Southwest Arms Pool, and you can have a look at that as well if you're keen. But yeah, that's all for today, and I will see you in my next video, and out.